The community taking time to honor Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. today with the annual Unity Day celebration, usually celebrated in person. Today's virtual event focused on racial struggles and how they are still intertwined with America's history, rather. Here's Kaylee Kirby. She's got today's story.
Our community honors a man who spent his life fighting for the civil rights and equality of black people in America, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.
I think of love as something strong.
The city of Toledo and the University of Toledo teaming up to host the 20th MLK Jr. Unity Celebration virtually.
While we cannot be together in person, it has never been more important to come together as a community than it is right now.
This year's theme, I'm Still Here, focuses on Dr. King's work with the stark similarities of racial justice and the events that have happened over the last year.
Whether it is the recent events at the U.S. Capitol building, or whether it is what we saw on the streets of so many cities in our country last year after the murder of George Floyd. There's no question we're not a very united country right now.
The theme, also the same title of keynote speaker Austin Channing Brown's best-selling book.
I'm still here.
Brown is a Toledo native, speaker, and author on racial justice in America.
My lane is to try to make the concepts about racial justice, to make them clear, to make them understandable, to make them tangible.
She says in the world we're in, we need to ask questions and continue to go out and make change. You can watch the full Unity celebration right now. We have a link posted on our website or free WTOL News app. Reporting in Toledo, Kaylee Kirby, WTOL 11.